This is the outcome of the afang soup that I just prepared now. All the yummies are inside. I hope you can come and taste it with me. But it's not possible because you are not here with me. So prepare your own. So this is night. I don't want to eat a bag this night. If it is in the afternoon, you will see me rushing this soup. So I'm going to taste it. It's so delicious. The oil is moderate. It's not too much. When you are cooking your own, don't let the oil be too much because the too much oil is not too good for the body. So delicious. So thank you so much for watching. Prepare your own. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mobile Foodies. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to cook afang soup. Afang soup is so delicious. You eat it with swallow, like fufu, garri, and others. So I have the leaves here. As you can see, it's much. I want to make it big. I don't want the soup to finish in one day. So this is the leaves here. As you can see, I've washed it thoroughly. I wash it 3 times. This is water leaf here. Water leaf help to soften the leaves, soften the afang, because the afang leaves are very strong. So that is the work of the water leaf, to soften the leaves. I have here 2 kitchen knives. That is the one I'm going to use, and a tray. I will cut the afang by myself. So I want to cut it now. You want to sharpen your knife. As you can see, the knife is very sharp. And when you are getting a knife, get a quality knife. You can get this knife with a set of it. I think either 5 or 6. You get it for 18,000. It helps, not like the other one. And the knife is very sharp. I finished cutting the afang leaves. Here is it. I want to blend it now. This is the blender I want to use. That's my industrial blender. So you need to get it. It's so good. That is what I'm going to use in blending the afang leaves. So I'm putting it inside. I want to blend in batches so that it will not be stuck. Then I cover it. This is 5 liters. Hello guys. This is the protein. You have the goat meat, the stockfish, the fish, the shaki, the runabout, the pomo, the towel. Everything is inside here. So feel free to add anything you want, any protein of your choice. You can add snails, you can add shrimps, you can add beef, you can add anything I feel like adding. So I've spiced it already. I have onions, seasoning, salt, pepper, and others. So I want to cook it now until it's tender. Then I'll show you the next steps. I want to use another pattern, another way of making or preparing afang soup. I have a video on how to prepare afang soup. It's different from this method. It's the second method. That's the onions. This is crayfish. So I want to add the water leaf. As I said, this is the second method. I will post the first method below the description box. I'm going to link it so I can click from it and watch. So I'm going to cover it. So this is how I wanted the water leaf to look like. It's soft and tender now. So I'm going to off it while waiting for the stock and the meat to done. I've transferred the water leaf pot. So added my oil. The next thing I want to add is the meat and the stock. Then I'll allow it to boil. The afang leaves is well blended. So I want to check the pot now. This is the time you can add your periwinkle if you have it. But in this cooking, I don't have periwinkle. Periwinkle helps the volume of the soup to increase. If you add periwinkle now, you see, this soup will be more than this. I want this soup to be very fresh. In that case, I will allow it to boil for 2 minutes. Then I'll off the heat. So here you have to taste to check whether there's salt, there's seasoning cube is okay. But what I want to do now, I'm going to add a little oil to it. This soup will be so delicious with fufu, with garri, and others. So here is my soup. It came out so well. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Just hit the like button. Don't just watch and go. Watch and stay. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.